I like how someone just realized there's only 4 cars. Prettiest car, Ward, get him!
Look out, that's 420 and he is slamming into him. Justin Malone, number 420. Here comes 1013, that's Gary Heil. Below him. Billy Allfather.
Yeah, you can tell.
Justin Malone gonna hit him! Oh!
Go for it, Jordan!
Malone going after Billy Allfather. He's got it!
I'm after you, aren't I? The what?
I love the record.
Malone getting set for another run. 420, look out, 2 cars!
Oh!
X13 Allfather just about out. The car is smoking.
It's 420, the rookie.
Brakes on. You're not supposed to run into the driver's side door. That is very dangerous.
Gotta give him that.
Mark Carter going after Allfather. Oh! Malone is there first. Here comes Gary Heil.
See, I think the winner of the previous car had the target. What's that? Pizza Hut sign.
Oh man, where's the pizza?
So 420 is the
Steam
rookie.
coming out of the cars, indicating radiator damage. They're heating up.
I love how high that goes up in the air.
Busted the shock. The frame is completely up.
Justin Malone's car, 420, has been turned into a compact safety wagon.
He don't care. Go 420, go. It looks like a dying beetle. Oh, here we go.
Feel the other side.
Malone slamming into Gary Heil.
420 drive shaft broke.
It's completely dangling on the floor.
Look at the steam coming out of those cars and some smoke too.
Look at
The
X.
car overheating. That's 420.
He's
That's Malone. And he gets started. The flag's still up on all cars, indicating they're all running.
I think they're teammates.
If Malone 420 can't get it started, he'll take the flag down, and that means he is not supposed to be hit. Here comes Allfather, Billy Allfather, X13.
Yeah, Pizza Hut!
Here comes X13, Gary Heil.
X13, man, he's just waiting.
Driver's side door hit!
Gary Heil, 10-13, looking good. $1,000 to the winner.
See how his rear end went up? Drivers actually manipulate their cars and speed them in a little bit. It's called a whale tail. They do it because if it goes down, it takes off the tires. We should do that to my Corolla, huh? Yeah. Stop sign. I think his stop sign. Yeah, there you go.
That's how you know there's a wall
They're going to go until one car is running.
Yeah, go Sarah. Look at you go.
10-13, Gary Heil.
Oh! He ain't done. Well, oh, stuck. You gotta give him credit.
That's how it flows.
Here comes Kyle one more time. He's set to nail him.
Nice. That thing is on fire.
Gary Heil wants that 1,000 bucks. Look at Heil. That's it.
Go till it blows, right, Timer?
Go tell she blows.
And look, they're like, get out. He's like, I'm not done yet.
They've got the fireman out because
fire.
they're afraid that engine is on fire.
It is on fire. Papa John's. Was it like... He's still going. Yeah, X13!
Yeah, there are flames coming out of it. That's the thing you fear the most in a demolition derby.
Poor Billy, he don't want to go. He's so confused. He's like, wait, where am I?
Like you see
Is this
a number 63 car below.
Is this real life?
420!
So 10-13 is seasoned veteran Gary Heil at this point in the
It's like you see 420.
Yeah, go ahead.
Well,
I think they're stuck.
Are they going to run?
Yes.
Are they able to run?
Yes.
I want to see him start up again.
Well, it looks like 555 Carter is still running. He doesn't want to drop out of the competition.
I love-
He will go up against Heil.
That's right!
If he can move any further, though, I mean, he looks to be stuck there.
Okay, Larry Naston.
Heil,
Aston, wait, what's his name?
Blue card down at the end.
Larry
Sitting there
Huff.
watching.
My bad. We know a Larry Naston, though.
Justin Malone.
Larry, the cable guy.
Where's the bull when you need him?
Like, no, ready.
Like, no, you gotta go.
3, 2, 1.
Go!
Oh, this is gonna be very fun.
Gary Heil prepared to give the coup de grace.
Oh! I think 555 just remembered something.
On Allfather's car, he can't get loose. That's the problem with Carter.
I give credit to 1013. Usually they don't go after this guy. Watch him
Here
get
we
stuck.
go.
Nice. Uh-oh! Now he's stuck.
Carter is stuck on Allfather's car. He can't get loose.
Low budget attack.
Pull them apart and let them start on each end.
But now,
Yeah.
Heil's wheel, the right rear wheel, is actually off the car.
I was 1013. Wait, which one's Carter? Dude, 1013.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is it.
They ain't done though. Well, at least, I mean, he's done, but he ain't.
Should I go down there and turn on the camera?
Gary Heil.
10-13 doesn't know it's over yet.
No.
And finishing second, number 555, Mark Carter.
I go, why is Billy getting back in his car?
He's gonna win.
I'll drive it off.
Well, we're not going to have an intermission. We're just going to get these cars off here and bring out the main event. So just don't do anything.